Dear students, welcome to Digital Learning DC. Myself Srimati V.S. Godchapnor, Assistant Professor working in Department of Mathematics, GFGC and PG Center, Gadag. I welcome to all BSc Fifth Sem Paper 3 Statics and Laplace Transformation. In that, we will discuss the problems on resultant of coplanar couple. The problems on resultant of coplanar of couple. First problem is along the sides of a regular hexagon taken in order 6 faces equal to A, B, C, D, E, F are applied, show that they will be equivalent to a couple. If small d plus E equal to A plus B and A plus F equal to C plus D, find the moment of the couple. Observe the figure. Solution of the problem is algebraic sum of the resolved parts of a forces along AB equal to A into cos 0 plus B into cos 60 plus C into cos 120 minus D into cos 0 minus E into cos 60 minus F into cos 120. That is equal to A plus B into 1 by 2 minus C into 1 by 2 minus D minus E into 1 by 2 plus F into 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 is a common factor. The remains the terms are 2a plus b minus c minus 2d minus e plus f. Complete the bracket. That is equal to equation number 1. Algebraic sum of the resolved parts of the forces along AE equal to A into sin 0 plus B into sin 60 plus C into sin 120 minus D into sin 0 minus E into sin 60 minus F into sin 120. Therefore, the algebraic sum of the resolved parts of a forces along AE equal to A into sin 0 plus B into sin 60 plus C into sin 120 minus D into sin 0 minus E into sin 60 minus F into sin 120. That is equal to B into root 3 by 2 plus C into root 3 by 2 minus E into root 3 by 2 minus F into root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is a common factor. B plus C minus F, that is equal to equation number 2. If the system reduces to a couple, the algebraic sum of the resolved parts of the forces along any two mutually perpendicular directions vanishes separately. From equation 1 and 2, we have 2a plus b minus c minus 2d minus e plus f equal to 0. This is called equation number 3. B plus C minus E minus F equal to 0. This is called equation number 4. From equation 3 and 4, we have adding equation 3 plus 4. Then next 2A plus B minus C minus 2D minus E plus F equal to 0. B plus C minus E minus F equal to 0. Minus C plus C get cancelled. Plus F minus F get cancelled. The remaining terms are 2A plus 2B minus 2D minus 2E equal to 0. That implies A plus B minus D minus E equal to 0. That implies D plus E equal to A plus B. This is called equation number 5. Subtracting equation 4 minus 3, that implies P plus B plus C minus E minus F equal to 0. 2A plus B minus C minus 2D minus E plus F equal to 0. Changing the changing the third equation by the sign minus, minus, plus, 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 minus, will get minus 2a plus 2c plus 2d minus 2f equal to 0. That implies c plus d minus a minus f equal to 0. That implies a plus f equal to c plus d. This is called equation number 6. Let O be the center of the hexagon. Let the distance of O from each side equal to P. Then P equal to root 3 divided by 2 into L, where L is the side of a hexagon. Therefore, the moment of a couple equal to algebraic sum of the moments of forces about 0. That is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F into P. that is equal to a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f. Substitute the value of p equal to root 3 by 2 into L, that is equal to a plus b plus c plus d plus a plus b minus d plus c plus d minus a. Plus a minus a get cancelled, plus d minus d get cancelled into root 3 by 2 into L. That implies a plus 2b plus 2c plus d into root 3 by 2 into L. Okay, now solving one more example on resultant of coplanar couple. The example is ABCD is a rectangle with AB equal to 4 meter, BC equal to 3 meter. Along AB, BC, CD, DA and AC act forces 2, 7, 6, 10 and 5 kg respectively. Show that the system reduces to a couple and find its moment. Observe the figure. Let angle BAC equal to theta, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, that is equal to 4 square becomes 16 plus 9 equal to 25. Therefore, AC equal to 5. And cos theta equal to AB divided by AC, that implies cos theta equal to 4 by 2. Then next sin theta equal to BC by AC, that implies sin theta equal to 3 by 5. Algebraic sum of resolved parts of forces along AB equal to 2 into cos 0 plus 7 into cos 90 minus 6 into cos 0 minus 10 into cos 90 plus 5 into cos theta. That is equal to 2 minus 6 plus 5 into 4 by 5, that is equal to minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0. Then next is the algebraic sum of the resolved parts of a forces along AD, that is equal to 2 sin theta plus 7 sin 90 minus 6 into sin 0 minus 10 into sin 90 plus 5 into sin theta, that is equal to 7 minus 10 plus 5 into 3 by 5, that is equal to minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. As the resultant sum of resolved parts of the forces along two perpendicular direction vanishes separately, the system reduces to a couple. Therefore, the moment of a couple equal to algebraic sum of moments of forces about A equal to BC into AB plus DC into DA. That equal to 7 into 4 plus 6 into 3, that is equal to 28 plus 18, that is equal to 46 meter kg. The next problem is ABCD is a rectangle with AB equal to 5 meter and BC equal to 12 meter. Along the sides AB, BC, CD, DA, the diagonal AC act forces equal to 9, 8, 24, 14 and 39 kg respectively. Show that they are equivalent to a couple whose moment is 328 meter kg. Solution of the problem. Observe the figure. AC equal to square root of AB square plus BC square, that is equal to square root of 25 plus 144, that is equal to root 169, that is equal to 13. Let angle BAC equal to theta, cos theta equal to AB by AC, that is equal to 5 by 13, sin theta equal to BC by AC, that is equal to 12 by 13. Therefore, the algebraic sum of the resolved parts of forces along AB equal to 9 into cos 0 plus 8 into cos 90 minus 24 into cos 0 minus 44 into cos 90 plus 39 into cos theta, that is equal to cos 0, that is equal to 9 minus 24 plus 39 into 5 by 13, that is equal to 9 minus 24 plus 15, that is equal to 0. The next is the algebraic sum of resolved parts of forces along AD equal to 9 into sin theta plus 8 into cos 90 minus 24 into sin 0 minus 44 into sin 90 plus 39 into sin 0. That is equal to 8 into 8 minus 44 plus 39 into 12 by 13, that is equal to 8 minus 44 plus 36 equal to 0. As the algebraic sum of resolved parts of a forces along two perpendicular direction vanishes separately, the system reduces to a couple. Therefore, the moment of couple equal to algebraic sum of the moments of forces about A, that is equal to 8 into 5 plus 24 into 12, that is equal to 40 plus 288, that is equal to 328 meter per kg. The next problem is the forces of magnitudes 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg and 2 root 2 kg act along the sides AB, BC, CD, DA and the diagonal AC of a square ABCD of a side 3 meters. Show that they are equivalent to a couple and find its moments. Observe the figure. AC equal to square root of AB square plus BC square, that is equal to square root of 3 square plus 3 square. AC equal to root 18, that is equal to 3 root 2. The algebraic sum of resolved parts of the forces about AB, that is equal to 1 into cos 0 plus 2 into cos 90 minus 3 into cos 0 minus 4 into cos 90 plus 2 into root 2 cos 45, that is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 2 into root 2 into 1 by root 2, that is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 2 equal to 0. The algebraic sum of resolved parts of a forces about AD, the algebraic sum of the resolved parts of the forces about AD, that is equal to 1 into sine theta sine 0 plus 2 into sine 90 minus 3 into sine 0 minus 4 into sine 90 plus 2 into root 2 into sine 45, that is equal to 2 minus 4 plus 2 into root 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 2 minus 4 plus 2 equal to 0, as the algebraic sum of the resolved parts of forces along two perpendicular direction vanishes separately, the system reduced to a couple. Therefore, the moment of couple equal to algebraic sum of the moments of forces about A equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 into 3, that is equal to 6 plus 9, that is equal to 15 moments per kg. These are the reference book. Thank you one and all.